Square. It's awesome. Hey guys, so right now we're at the CNBC Squawk box where they do the stock market recording. But sadly, it's a weekend, so we can't be on TV.
Yeah, it's so cool if we can be on TV.
It'd be awesome.
They can see us.
They're not there. So it's just cool to look inside. Hey guys, we're about to go in to the Disney store.
We're walking around with this fine. Let's go.
In Times
Let's go. Guys, look at how that's so cool.
Hey guys, look up there. We built this out of Lego. We built the same set of Lego guys. That's so cool. Hey guys, so we just finished the upstairs level, and it was really cool. I loved it. Hey guys, now we're about to go into Hershey's World.
So let's go.
Look at this. We have to get this. It's mega. I could finish this.
Yeah, sure.
Wow. Hey guys, look what Nathan did. Mega Jolly Rancher. This? I don't know if I can finish this. No, I think it has multiple. I don't know if that. Oh, it has multiple. Listen. Such a good one. Look at that Kit Kat. Kit Kat. But yeah. Wow, this is so cool. Hey guys, so we are now going over to see electric gold orange.
I've never seen this color.
Aqua?
Blue. Look at these. Over there's an M&M machine to tell you what M&M you are. So in 1954, they had just chocolate M&Ms, and then 19, I can't see it, 19, I don't know, 19 something, they got peanut and everything, and then 1963 they added color. That was perfect for me. And then 1967 they kind of messed it up. 1971 they messed it up even more, and then 1976 they really messed it up. They went back to their original model, and then 1984 was perfect. They brought it perfect. 1986 they did pretty good. They did really good. 1995 they did amazing, and then M&M World is perfect. So that's perfect. That's the story of how M&M was created, I guess.
And this is what they're supposed to look like.
That's M&M. That's the house. Look at the face.
And guys, look it up there. There's real M&Ms.
Alright, well, let's go to the third floor. I never know how many legs are.
Oh, look at this door.
All the colors. Rainbow. That's awesome. Would you like to go more? Oh, bracelet. I would wear this. I love it. I would wear it. I wear it every day. Can I try it on? I want to try it on. Look at hamburger socks. She's gonna wear this. It's hamburger socks. I feel like it's too small. Maybe you should not. I might actually want to get this. I'm wearing a sweater over it. I think it's more of a girl sweater this year. Yeah, definitely. This is the girls one, I feel like. I like the other ones, so I really like the sweater.
They're so cool.
And then they're like a bed. Guys, so now we are going to go into the M&M machine that's very special, and it's going to tell us what mood we're in. Your cool-headed and sense of humor can get you Yeah, that's amazing. Okay, guys, so that was what M&M color are you?
And that's on the second floor. Let's head up to the third floor.
I'm ready to
Guys, to the Statue of Liberty.
You have to stomp on it to get to
That's the Statue of Liberty.
Hey guys, so we just parked our car and now we're gonna go to the fire station. Let's go. Got my